How to add music to Google Pixel without effort. In this video, we will introduce 4 practical ways to help you smooth the transfer. Method 1. Put music on Pixel by copy and paste. This is the simplest method available to put music on Pixel by copy and paste, but only DOM-free or unprotected music can be transferred with it. If you are using a Macintosh computer, additional software is required to transfer the songs. Method 2. Add music to Google Pixel in one click. Mobikin Assistant for Android, the state-of-the-art software, could be one of the great programs you wish to take into account. How to transfer music from PC to Pixel with Assistant for Android. Step 1. Launch Assistant for Android. Step 2. Go to the Music tab. Step 3. Add music to Google Pixel. Method 3. Transfer music to Pixel with Google Play Music. It is possible to transfer music via Google Play Music as well. This tool provides cloud storage for over 50,000 songs for your desktop and cell phone. The most important thing is that it's compatible. Method 4. Transfer music to Google Pixel over Bluetooth. If you don't have an original USB cable or you prefer to keep the use of Pixel rather than leaving it plugged in during the task, it is possible to do the same over Bluetooth.